Wild animals. Lion. Lion. The lion roars loudly. Tiger. Tiger. The tiger has stripes. Elephant. Elephant. The elephant has a long trunk. Giraffe. Giraffe. The giraffe has a long neck. Zebra. Zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes. Monkey. Monkey. The monkey climbs the tree. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. A kangaroo carries its baby in a pouch. Panda. Panda. The panda eats bamboo. Bear. Bear. The bear lives in the forest. Wolf. Wolf. The wolf howls at night. Fox. Fox. The fox has a bushy tail. Deer. Deer. The deer runs fast. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. The hippopotamus is in the water. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. The rhinoceros has a big horn. Crocodile. Crocodile. A crocodile lives in rivers. Alligator. Alligator. The alligator lives in the swamp. Snake. Snake. The snake is long. Frog. Frog. A frog lives near water. Bat. Bat. The bats sleep upside down. Hedgehog. Hedgehog. The hedgehog has sharp spines.